Today on Hughes Garage, we are doing an aftermarket intercooler. This is my 2016 Ford F150 with the 2.7 Ecoboost. As you can see, there's the old one. Here's the new one. This is a CVF. I ordered it off of 5startuning.com. I'm going to show you how to install it. Once you get under the truck, there's the stock intercooler. There's two blue tubes, 7 millimeter through the side that's on the pipes. You're going to loosen those up because these are going to come down with the intercooler. You're going to go over here to the blow-off valve. You got this right here. You're going to push back a little and like that. Get it over there and then it pops right off. Okay. On this piece, on the intercooler, it goes up. The first band right here next, closest to the pipe, you're going to unscrew that as well. Get that loose because that's going to be coming off with us. After that, you're going to need a 13 millimeter socket for this side of the plate and this side. Once you do that, they got these little plugs at the top of the stock intercooler. You're going to have to tug on it a little bit and it pops right out. Once you got everything disconnected, get the stock intercooler out. Once you got that pipe scooted over a little bit, you're going to get that blow-off valve connector off as well. It should be a pull-back push pin. Should be pretty easy to get off. Once you got that off, you can go ahead and take it down. If you got it down some, you're going to have to pull these like wire loom connections off the intercooler as well. Just be careful with them not to mess up any of the wiring. All right, comparing the two. There's the stock one. There's the CVF. Way bigger. This should make a pretty good improvement, especially along with the tune, which I'm getting mine done at 5 Star Tuning. Pretty much as soon as I get this done, I got a couple other things. If you've been following the channel, you know. Should turn out pretty good. This is a pretty easy install, guys. It's very easy. You can do it in your driveway. It's not that difficult whatsoever. You're going to take a 7 millimeter socket. You're going to undo that hose clamp and that hose clamp. Transfer these two directly over to here. You got the tubes on the CVF, nice and tight. Come over here, it's back to the factory. You're going to go off to the blow-off. 8 millimeter, unscrew that. Then it twists like this, pulls right out. So you'll do that, pull it right up. You got that on there. You're not going to use the original screw that it came with on the factory intercooler. The kit comes with a little Allen screw, and it is a 3/16, or at least for me it's working at a 3/16. Could be an actual size that's a little tighter, but it's going to work for me. I'm going to tighten that down on this hole right here. You won't be reusing that as well from the stock intercooler. It comes with a little silicone boot that goes right here. I would get it on there and then drop the supplied clamps down on it. And then once you get down there, you're gonna fit it and then you'll tighten it down from there. The size for the supplied clamps are a 10 millimeter. Once you got all that together, you're gonna repeat the process, same way we took it out. It should have no problems fitting in there. No modifications or anything done with this particular one. It does look good, way bigger. Supposedly it drops the intake air temperature down pretty good, and it's a good upgrade overall, especially if you're in a hotter climate like I am. This is the end result. So like I said, 10 millimeters there and up there. Get you a deep well socket. Plug everything back up. Got all this back on. Got everything tightened. From the stock intercooler, you got these little bumpers that go around the top and the bottom on the intercooler. You're going to want to put those on the aftermarket one. I did forget to show you that. Other than that, you were good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.